Hey guys, welcome back to a YouTube video. I just wanted to show you guys my stuffed animal collection. We have a small unicorn that I got from a bow, two of these like fluffy and hangable monkeys. We got a baby gorilla. We got a tiger. Sorry, my lighting's bad, but it's a lot brighter in my room when I'm not on camera. There's a gorilla, animal jam monkey, a Cincy unicorn, Cabbage Patch in the back, my baby toy as a kid, small pig, let me fix that. That's my monkey, a baby pig, another monkey, another Cabbage Patch, Jack the Pumpkin King in a unicorn suit, another pig, a bunny, a unicorn, a dragon from my friend, Jack the Pumpkin King. My sister gave this to me. I forgot her name though, but she's from The Nightmare Before Christmas. My Cheer Bear, and another unicorn. So I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe, hit the notification bells, and I painted this squishy. I actually kind of like the cone part that I did, so yeah. Then here's the cupcake. Here's the cake. Had a little accident, so I put blood on it, red paint. Then I'm gonna paint this one. Okay, see you guys. Bye.